Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. In RHEL8 tutorial series, today topic is what is shell and way to change a user default shell in RHEL8. In this video, I will explain you what is shell, what is bash shell, what is terminal, which type of user login in shell, and how you can know which user using the terminal, and how you can check which user using the default shell, and how you can change the user default shell. All this topic I will cover in this video. So let's start the video. First of all, if you have not subscribed my channel, please click on this red button and subscribe my channel. I humble request you, please watch this video till the end. So let's start the video. One by one I will cover you all this topic. So first of all, what is shell? A shell is a program that takes commands from the keyboard and gives from them to the operating system to perform this command. In previously, we are using shell as a Unix-like system is a user interface, but nowadays we are using also graphical user interface in addition to command line interface such as the shell. For example, bash shell, KSH, SH, TCH. These are the different shells are available in the Linux platform. So next one is the bash shell. Command line is a text-based interface which can be used to input instruction to a computer system. The Linux command line is provided by a program called the shell. Over the long history, Unix-like system, many shell have been developed. The default shell for the user in Linux is the bash shell, that is means GNU Brown Again shell. Bash is an improved version of one of the most successful shell used on Unix-like system, the Brown shell, that is SS shell. There are several reasons for changing a user shell in Linux, including to block or disable normal user login in Linux using a no login shell. Use a shell wrapper script or program to login user command before they are sent to a shell for execution. To meet a user demand, want to use a specific shell, escapely those with administrative rights. These are the basic changes of bash shell. Next one is what is terminal? Terminal, also known as a command line or a console, allow us to accomplish and automate tasks on a computer without the use of a graphical user interface. Using a terminal allow us to send simple text command to our computer to do things like navigate through a directory or a copy a file, and from the basis for many more complex automation and programming skill. There are a bunch of different terminal emulator you can use. Most of Linux distribution supplies several such as Genome Terminal, Console, Extreme, RXVT, KVT, etc. These are the basic terminal we are using. In RHEL8, we are using the Genome Terminal. Simply, I will tell you, Microsoft Windows, we are using the command prompt for execute the different command. Same like that in Linux, we are using the terminal to execute the command. So next one is type of the login user in terminal. First of all, I will tell you how you can open the terminal in your Linux machine. So first of all, simply click on the window button and you can see in application menu bar. So one terminal icon is showing here. You can simply click on terminal icon. Otherwise, you can search terminal. Here you can see terminal application will be showing here. Simply click on the enter button. Your terminal window is open. So here you can see your PS1 value is showing. PS1 value is a primary prompt variable which hold default variable username, host name, current working directory, and user character name. Dollar symbol is using for the normal user and hash prompt using for the super user. In the bash character, this is the default structure of the bash prompt and is displayed every time a user log in using terminal. These default value are set in the etc bash rc file. So if you want to check what is the default value of the ps1, so command is echo $, ps1 c. These are the default variable. When you open the terminal, automatically this ps value is showing on terminal. Okay, so uh, after that you can run any command on the terminal. They will showing the output. Okay, so next one is how to list all oh sorry, type of the login user in terminal. Okay, I already told you, when dollar symbol is showing in here, so that means normal user is using the shell, or dollar character is replaced to hash character. That means your super user or root user is using your terminal. Okay, so next one is how to list all shell and check the current shell. So want to check how many shells available in the RHEL8, one configuration file is available. The name is shells. So these files available in etc directory. If you want to check how many shells are available, so command is cat. Cat command used for the show the content of the files. etc shells. See, these all are shells are available in RHEL8 and CentOS 8. Okay, so now I want to check my root user current shell. So command is echo dollar shell. So I already told you default shell is bin bash. So that's why my root user using the bin bash shell, or su command used for the switch the user. So you can also check my normal user shell. That is also same bin bash. Okay, so I want to change my. So next there is also way to change the current shell. There are two type of there are two way to change the shell of the user. First one is the command chsh and another one is a manual. You can change the value of shell in etc passwd file. So one by one I will tell you. So first command way is the chsh. When you run this command in normal user, they ask for the user password prompt. So first of all, see chsh as the option used for the mention shell name. So I want to change my current user shell in dash to sh. See, user password is required. When you give the right password, shell has been changed. Okay. After log out, your shell will reflect the echo dollar shell. See, my shell has been changed. So bin bash to showing on bin sh. So, same like that, you can use this command on root user bin sh. Okay, so shell has been changed. These are the first method to change the default shell. Another one is the open the file in vi editor etc passwd. etc passwd saved all the user related information. So here you can check current user current shell is bin sh. So last column noted for the shell. So when you here mention any shell name, automatically assigned to user default shell. If here you can mention sb no login, that means you block the user shell. Okay, here I change sh to bin bash, save the file. Okay, now check shell has been changed or not. So command is echo dollar shell. See, my shell has been changed. So I hope you understand all the topics. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you dislike this video, please click on the dislike button. Also share this video to your friends and share the comment on comment session. Thank you for watching my video.